आदित्य सिंह
वानी
Arthur Singh, he is voting
नहीं
himself.
वानी यार anytime see वानी
I'm bad with message. That चलो that I'll give
yeah
it.
she
I'm
takes
bad
a
with.
lot of time
फिर भी ऐसे
Once
दिखती
my
है
cat
How are you
went
so fit?
out. I think वो कोई गया
no
होगा.
she's so lazy she has a wheelchair ऐसे बैठ के चलती है
हम बोलते हैं अभी हमारे फादर साहब ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर फादर उनके पास ऑप्शन नहीं थी बेचारे रेडियो तो होते थे तभी तो ये साली वाला मसला पिसाली आदि कर वाली मसले वही होती थी
I'm a different kind of a boyfriend and for her I'm a different kind of a person and then when I turn she goes inside this room then comes her then I have to behave in a different way franchise काफी चल रही हैं and so we should try and keeping our finger crossed that Khel Khel may also can become a good franchise for next.
It will, fingers crossed.
That's if you go for the watch the movie.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. मेरे साथ है the cast of खेल खेल में. So nice to have you all guys. Welcome. So
Thank you.
Thank you.
पहले तो मुझे एक segment से start करना है so that we can pump up the energy. I know you'll have had a long day. So I'm going to ask.
No, we are absolutely energized.
And fresh.
Fresh
And fresh.
we are
Okay, थोड़ा
And
और
pumped.
pump up करते हैं.
Yes.
ठीक है, एक छोटा सा segment खेलेंगे where I'm going to ask you all who's most likely to and you all have to tell me who.
Didn't we play this game?
That
हाँ किसी और के साथ.
किसी
But-
के साथ
Yeah, for Instant Bollywood.
Okay. चलो.
Okay, who's most likely to do the most खतरनाक tweet?
वानी
अरे ट्विटर है ही नहीं मेरे पास.
Vani.
Why Vani?
yes
Because she is very
खतरनाक.
dangerous.
Oh,
dangerous
okay.
yes
She's very
she can do
dangerous.
anything
She can do anything and she can like with her tweets and all.
My words they sting.
Yeah.
Okay. Oban,
Dangerous.
tell me someone who would take the most time to reply on text.
आदित्य सिंह.
Vani.
Arthur Singh, he is voting
नहीं
himself.
Vani यार anytime see Vani.
I'm bad with message. That चलो that I'll give
Yeah,
it.
she
I'm
takes
bad
a
with.
lot of time.
Both of you all.
मैं तो reply she
5
takes a
working
lot of
days?
time I don't reply
Yeah, you don't reply only ना.
I'm horrible
मेरे
with
को
my
कोई
phone
पूछता थोड़ी है कुछ. You all are writing you're so sweet. He's writing you're so sweet. I love you. Then he's writing I love you too.
I'm bad with messages.
You're bad in messages. Okay, someone who takes the most time or never picks up calls.
Vani.
Vani.
I'm
She
being-
never picks up
मैं
calls.
लगती हूँ ऐसी शक्ल से.
पूछ ले
Call pick नहीं
आदित्य.
करती.
मैं
आदित्य have I ever missed your call?
मेरे साथ तो नहीं I can't
आदित्य
Life
can tell you.
आदित्य I mean कभी life में call
ये फोन तो छोड़ो आदित्य is her पड़ोसी.
हाँ.
He rings the bell also. She doesn't open the door also.
That is true That is true
Oh,
That is
actually,
true.
one thing, there are times when I literally
know
feel
it
I
is
live in a
funny.
mandir where the bell keeps ringing.
हाँ.
So there are times when I'm like मैं थक गई हूँ ना जो भी आएगा चले जाएगा खुद से.
और नहीं ऐसी बात भी नहीं है she has राशि खन्ना who comes in is you know जब बॉम्बे में है so they are together
Yeah.
and बाहर कोई घंटी बजाए जा रहा है राशि तू खोल ले
चले
वानी तू
जाएंगे.
खोल ले बट कोई
जो
नहीं
भी
खोलता
आया
दरवाजा
चले जाएगा वापस.
मेरे घर से खाना गया है
हाँ.
और वापस आ गया मैं बोला क्या हुआ बोला किसी ने दरवाजा नहीं खोला
I've never heard of
That
that.
is
Yeah,
after
that
the
happens.
fact.
She doesn't
Yeah, yeah.
walk.
फिर भी ऐसे
Once
दिखती
my
है
cat
How are you
went
so fit?
out. I
Yeah.
think वो कोई गया
No,
होगा.
she's so lazy. She has a wheelchair. ऐसे बैठ के चलती है.
घर से बिल्ली भाग गई उसको पता नहीं चला
नहीं पर वो मेरी गलती नहीं थी वो.
Okay, I'm gonna ask one more. Someone who is very obsessed with their Instagram and keeps stalking people.
Oh yeah.
yeah
This whole game is dedicated. I mean,
Not at all.
No,
Vani,
बोलते नहीं फोन
Pragya, I think Pragya.
Nami.
मैं तो बानी ना
Vani,
मैं वानी कह रहा
Vani.
This is easy to prove. Who has the most posts?
Someone will make a
Exactly.
fake ID और दूसरे लोगों को stalk करोगे.
I don't think anyone.
Vani.
Pragya.
I think Pragya
Pragya
can do
is a
this
stalker.
Pragya.
I think
Pragya
Pragya
is stalking all the time.
Pragya can do this
Someone who plays a lot of music on the phone.
Akshay sir
Akshay.
कौन सा? पंजाबी.
Sorry.
Every type
Sorry.
of genres. Best music.
हर लैंग्वेज
Yeah.
के
Yeah,
अंग्रेजी
yeah,
And he's got the best.
I'm mini T-series.
सबसे गाना कौन से बजा है सेट पे?
सब
जो now
सारे।
you'll relate that song to the shoot of खेल.
वो है हम सुना नहीं सकते
पानी बरसे.
नहीं वो तो है फिल्म में है.
अच्छा हाँ तो बारी बरसी. I really like that song. बारी बरसी तो हमने बहुत सुना है पोस्टर शूट में शूटिंग के टाइम
खटन
पे.
गया से खट के लिए अंदर नहीं बुगाटी
Someone जो फोन से बिल्कुल addicted नहीं है, जो फोन के बिना रह सकता है.
Amy?
Amy.
Amy.
I can live without a phone.
Yeah.
Amy के पास उसकी
So
जरूरत
you,
ही नहीं
can
है.
you stay without the
Huh?
phone? Can you stay without the phone?
नहीं,
He
I
needs his
can't.
phone. Really?
I need
None
my
of
phone.
us can.
None
huh?
of us.
I need my phone.
Wow. Okay,
Fardeen
someone.
needs it at night.
It sings me lullabies so I can sleep.
Oh God.
I have a special app for that. Huh?
Who sings?
My phone.
Achha, your phone. Achha.
Do you put like those
I believe you.
joking guys?
No, because it used to work when I used to do it for my children, so I use it now for myself
I do
also.
that too sometimes. I mean,
Really?
not like lullabies and all, but like those, healing
Calm
energy,
apps.
calming music and
Chants.
all. Yeah, just to like.
Next question, ma'am.
Okay, someone who might have an embarrassing search history.
One.
What is this?
Sure one.
Vani?
Vani. Very
Define
pure history.
embarrassing.
Can you
Could
even?
be anything जो आप
What?
नहीं दिखा सकते अपना search history.
And-
वो तो कोई नहीं दिखा
जैसे कि?
सकता.
Fardeen Khan
गंदी
hot.
फिल्में
करके.
Fardeen had hot images.
Yes,
Yeah.
Fardeen Khan hot images.
कौन कर रहा है?
I'm saying, I'm saying
When
you
did
did
I search?
We're not saying you did it. I say it could be in your phone.
Why would it be?
I'm just saying.
Embarrassing stuff like
We
this.
put it on Adi.
And lastly, who would have a dating app on their phone?
चेक ना
Fardeen.
I've downloaded it but never used it.
Fair enough.
I grew up in a time where there were no apps.
Lie.
Everyone's downloaded it?
Yeah.
No,
Not me.
I don't
No,
know.
I've never been on any dating
Okay.
app.
ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਤੇ ਲੂਡੋ ਦਾ ਐਪ ਹੈ ਬਸ.
And now I want to ask you all a few questions. The relationships are breaking now more than what it would before. क्योंकि पहले छुपाना शायद
पहले
आसान easy था.
पॉपुलेशन कम थी तो इसलिए कम होता था, अब ज्यादा है, अब ज्यादा होता है.
But social media नहीं
अकॉर्डिंग टू
करते.
द पॉपुलेशन होता रहता है.
But I think it's related to social media than
यस
population.
यस इट इज
True it is.
आपके सामने ही चीजें आती हैं ना. आपका जो पार्टनर होता है, आप मतलब वो वर्कआउट नहीं कर रहा, आप सामने वर्कआउट वाले के आगे यार तू ऐसी क्यों नहीं लग रही, तू ऐसा क्यों नहीं लग रहा. सो वो मसले लड़ाइयाँ हो जाती हैं, वो चीज़ें बढ़ती. और हम बोलते हैं अभी हमारे फादर साहब, ग्रेट ग्रैंड फादर उनके पास ऑप्शन नहीं थी बेचारे, रेडियो तो होते थे. तभी तो ये साली वाला मसला, पिसाली आदि कर वाली मसले वही होती थी. वो छेड़ बचा के एक आध जिस पे वो आग में टक्का कर लेते थे तब बुजुर्ग से. अब तो मतलब ऑप्शन ही इतनी है इर्द गिर्द, तब मरते हैं लोग अभी.
But I all that.
He is very affected by social media. You can come to know he's taken it very to
बड़ी
heart.
दुखियारी बता रहे
That's why
हैं
we can see him without a phone, na? You can live without a phone.
मैंने खिंच चढ़ दिया
Yeah.
सोशल मीडिया.
But,
Logical reason.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, it's so good to see you back in the comic space after
Even
a
me
while. You recently said that, your toughest film that you've done was Garam Masala.
Yes, ma'am.
Where it looked as if, it was the easiest because the shoot was in the house and on the airport.
No,
and
ma'am.
So
It was
why-
very
why was
difficult to handle 4 women at one time. In the film, let me say it was very difficult. It is not an easy job.
Yeah.
Trust me when I'm telling you. You can ask John. John was there. That it was very tough. You can ask him what was the toughest film he's ever done. He'll also tell you Garam Masala.
Is there a specific reason?
This I
Same.
told you, na, because
4
you
women.
have to. There are in one shot, you're changing your expression so many times because for you, I'm a different kind of a boyfriend, and for her, I'm a different kind of a person. And then when I turn, she goes inside this room. Then comes her.
Yeah.
Then I have to behave in a different way. Then Paresh Rawal comes out. I have to behave, and that all Mr. Priyadarshan wants to have it in one shot.
Yeah.
So that becomes very hard.
Interesting.
No, but it's definitely one of the best films, and we can like
Yeah,
rewatch it on
I've
our
rewatched
best
it
days.
plenty
Like,
of
what a
times.
performance! But I also have to ask that now you're having some franchises coming ahead when it comes to comic films and comedy films.
Because बाकी सारी नहीं चल रही.
पर इसीलिए आपको लगता है कि वो फ्रेंचाइज में इट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट क्योंकि फ्रेंचाइज में लोग ज़्यादा आते हैं, एक्सपेक्टेशन ज़्यादा होती है.
हो सकता है ये है because franchise काफ़ी चल रही हैं and so we should try.
Yeah.
And keeping our finger crossed that Khel Khel may also can become a good franchise for next.
It will, fingers crossed.
That's if you go for the watch the movie.
We will. I loved the trailer.
I
And
hold you for that, Aina.
also, I have to ask, how was the vibe like on set for everyone and all of you all?
Like this.
Back.
Exactly
Like what you're seeing now.
this.
And
No,
we have
was
this
like-
is a vegetarian side you're seeing.
I want to see the non-vegetarian. side.
That
we have two
join.
more musketeers missing. One is Tapsi and हमारे जो director साहब वहाँ पे हैं. He was
they-
also one of the players in this खेल.
But do you think
He is a big player.
A very big player.
Anyone who can write a film like this has to be a big.
Has
Yep.
to be a big player.
Only a
ये
player can write
खुराफात
a film
अपनी
like this.
पर्सनल जिंदगी से निकाली हैं.
हाँ.
But
The
असल
way
जिंदगी
he
में
writes
ये
शायरी, शेर और शायरी.
हाँ.
आओ ना सर.
Yeah.
पाजी आ जाओ.
But he doesn't have a mic.
कोई
आ
मेरे
जाएगा,
माइक में बात
सबके
कर
mic
रहा
बोल
पे.
देंगे.
Come near my chest.
सबका mic है.
पाजी इधर आओ.
What am I going to do in the
आ जाओ ना. ये
अरे मैं
डार्लिंग मेरी जान बैठो.
Buddha sir, just
वो
come
मैं
up, sit
बैठा हूँ
here.
आपके साथ. आ गया देखो. प्लीज बैठो. आके साथ में हूँ.
ये
चलो.
देखो हमारे
This is
हैंडसम
Buddha
डायरेक्टर,
Yes. Welcome.
टैलेंटेड एंड हैंडसम डायरेक्टर.
So I want to ask you, you know, when you're directing an ensemble, I think to create that chaos in a choreographic manner is a challenge in a way. Do you feel it has been difficult for you to sort of, you know, get an ensemble together and still create magic on screen?
No, to be honest, I think I've grown up on films like that. So I've grown up on Manmohan Desai films. Till date, my favorite films are Anees Bhai's films. You know, I have enjoyed this setting and I like to give it to the audience because मज़ा आता है भरा हुआ पोस्टर देख करके. तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ ऐसी फिल्में लिखूँ जहाँ पे कई तरह के किरदार हों और वो उनके आपस में जो रिलेशनशिप्स हो उससे कॉमेडी निकले. That's an intention. So for me, I don't find that bit difficult. I find the bit of getting all of them on that same page with timing, that is the tougher part, I'd say. Not writing or thinking of them.
Absolutely. And so, how was your experience actually working with him? Because he wanted to work with you for the longest
Mudassar
time.
Saab,
Yes.
working with him,
Yeah.
it was beautiful. I've learned a lot from him. How to be a charmer, how to
बात
be,
तो सही है.
how to show that you are a good person, and how to. Am I lying?
नहीं.
Didn't he teach us how to be a good charmer?
Yes.
Huh?
बिल्कुल.
मनवा लिया.
मैं मानता हूँ ये बात.
हम मानते हैं ऐसा कोई भी मानेगा.
हाँ जी चलो.
And very nice boy, the guy next door, and he's a kind of a guy आप घर ले जाके बोल सकते हो माँ मुझे इससे शादी करनी है. He's like that kind.
अब वो करे ना करे वो अलग बात है.
वो अलग बात.
वो अलग बात है पर आप डेफिनेटली ऐसा बोल सकते
हाँ.
हैं. But thank you so much. It was lovely having you. Thank you
Thank
for
you,
your
Aina.
time.
Thank you,
And
Aina.
we wish you all the very best.
Thank you very much, Aina. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत